Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to draw a FedEx truck. And what you need for this art lesson is one paper, but I did not get two. Let me go get the other one. So we are using a marker, as I said in yesterday's video. Use the two pieces of paper that won't bleed it through your table. Okay, and then what else? And I want to remind you guys, today's video is actually advanced art lesson. So we're going to be using my whiteboard to tell you guys more about stuff like that, just in case if you guys don't know. Okay, and then, so I got my whiteboard here. Let's see. And this is just in case too. If you guys don't know anything, I can just in case you don't know anything, I can do it on a whiteboard. And also, if your drawing is kind of big, you can stick two pieces of paper together. So first, let's open our marker. And also you need Prismacolor color pencils. I'm using Prismacolor, and not Prismacolor color pencils for this lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be using biennial markers. Let me get that box. And then also, in today's video, I couldn't find all of these art supplies on Amazon. So I just left in the comments below, go to Hobby Lobby to buy these art supplies. But the biennial, I didn't need to find on Amazon. So first we'll put the biennial on the side. And first we'll start with our marker. There we go. Okay, now that I have this paper on, we'll just draw a regular truck first, okay? Okay, now that I've finished my truck, sorry guys. Now that I have finished my truck, what we are going to do next is write the FedEx sign, and also I'm going to write it in block letters, but you guys can write it in just regular letters. But I'll be writing it in block letters. So first what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line like this, and I shouldn't have done this, because right here, but that's okay, because you're practicing, and the most important thing is to have fun and to practice. So my E look kind of crazy, and then next is a D. I did not know if you guys have heard of the FedEx truck, but I think it's really popular because it's the road on time. And then we are going to draw an E again. And then this X is kind of hard to draw. Yep, and the X I didn't draw so good. But I still don't know how to color it. So let me search online for how the sign looks like. and I'll play some music and you guys can keep working. Okay, now I stopped the music and I found what they look like. But first I'll keep drawing our mail truck. So first I'll do the wheels, and the inside we'll draw a smaller circle and color the inside circle but leave the outside white. Also, maybe you guys can draw 2 cargos, but you have to draw this part kind of fun. And I don't think that we will be using our whiteboard. Next, what I'm going to do is that we are going to draw the window. So first, draw a line like this, and then this is kind of high, so we have to draw some steps. And then right here, you guys don't have to really do it. I'm just making some smoke coming out of the truck. And we are doing it, and then make sure that you do more than 4. I'm doing 5. Actually, 1 more. Okay, and now we have finished our drawing. But I want you guys to give. I want to give you guys a challenge to finish this truck by a driver right here and getting the package. Actually, I'll do it with you guys, cause I guess I've never drawn a head before. So first, like that, I'm gonna draw a smaller circle inside and color it, but leave a little circle white. And maybe, and then if you want to make the FEDEX driver girl, you can draw a long hair, but I am making it a boy. And then, and also he cannot be floating, so we have to draw. And then we can put another arm that's holding a package. And then let's draw a house here. So I'll keep it an easy house, because this is not learning how to draw a house. So I'll just draw like this. Okay, so I'm keeping it simple. And maybe you can pretend it's winter. So if you want to draw smoke, then you gotta pretend that's winter. Okay, and now what we're going to do is that you can take out your biannual markers. I got a huge set of them. And then we have biannual markers. But we have biannual markers just like me. The colors we need are, first I'll pick the colors, and then later I'll tell you what the numbers are. Okay, ready? And also you guys can keep finishing. Here, I'll mute. And see how it bled to the table. So that's what I like about the need more than 1 sheet of paper. Okay, now that I found all the colors, I'll tell you guys what we need. And then if you guys have the eyeliner markers, you can use the same numbers as me. So I'm using, I got some of the paper. So for the biannual markers, the glue I'm using is R926. And this is to color the house, but you can color it any way you want. And then this gray I'm using is a WG03, and this is to color the smoke. And this white I'm using is just old, and that is to add shading to make it look 3D. And this purple is R807, and this is to color the X. And then this orange I'm using is Y4016, and this is to color the Fed. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do, and then you can pause the video right now to get all of your colors ready. And first I'll play music for 1 minute, okay? Okay, now 1 minute has passed, but you still did not find the numbers. Then you can pause the video and go find the colors. The first one we're going to use is gray, because we're going to use the white last. But where did my white go? There's the white. So first we're going to use gray to color the smoke. Okay, so now I've finished coloring all the smoke, but if you still didn't finish, I'll check in the banana marker to say you can pause the video. And now the next color we're going to use is, I'm going to use the blue to color the house. Okay, now we're finished coloring the house, and then the next color we're going to use is purple to color this. What was it? And the next we're going to use purple to color this FED. Now we're going to use orange to color this X. Now we're going to start adding shading. Okay, now that I finished coloring, and this is how it should look at the end. And if you guys didn't finish it, you guys can pause the video to keep finishing. But since I already finished, here's how it's looking. And what I like about the bayan is that it doesn't get out so much, but it doesn't get solid. Alright, now it's time to race. Which one of these minions will race to my gray diagonal marker first? Ready, get set, ready, get set, go! That was tight, so let's start again. 3, 2, 1. This one wins, this red one. So I wanted to do this race because I know it will be a lot of fun for you guys to do it at home. And tomorrow's video, it's not a learning lesson. And tomorrow's video, tomorrow I will be still posting a video, but it will not be a how to draw lesson. It is going to be a drawing challenge for me. And also tomorrow, you guys can do this challenge at home too. All you need for tomorrow's challenge is one plate and a marker, and then you're going to put the plate on your face, and you have to try to draw your face, and then we'll count how many points you see. And also I'll be allowing the comments because I want you guys to tell me how many points you got, okay? And so that's just it for today's art lesson. But if you want to find more art lessons on my channel, be sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so that you won't miss my next drawing time, and also my live times. When I have more than about 100 subscribers, I will start doing the live videos. And we'll see you later, friends. Goodbye. Let's get ready for tomorrow's challenge. Goodbye. And also in the comments below, I also tell you guys where to subscribe, and also I do not know how to make that a link, so you can just copy it and paste it on a new tab, and then maybe it'll just show up, and maybe you can subscribe. I'll see you later, friends. Goodbye.